It's 1601. My name is Lilas Drummond. I am the wife of Alexander Seton. We have 5 bairns, but are crimes. He took up with one of my relatives and left me broken-hearted to die in Fife. He and his new wife came to Fyvie, but I was here and knew it. I feared them all by appearing on their wedding night. I left a wee message scored in the wall with my initials, and it's here to this day. Anyway, I've hunted here ever since and I'm fair scunnert. Lockdown has been such a chav, and I could see us things far enough. Anyway, I dare say it's time for us green wifey to gang for a wee wander into Fyvie.
Ooh, this looks like a school.
Roll up, the tour of Fyvie starts now. Follow me.
We made these lovely leaflets to take you on a tour around Fyvie.
This is Elmbank. It used to be a saddler's and a hairdresser, and now it's someone's house.
It's a pity it's not still a hairdresser's. I could use with my hair getting done.
Giles' shop had local turkeys and they were plucked, and then the feathers went down to Rothy Norman to made into mattresses and pillows. And the turkeys were sent down to London for Christmas dinners.
Turkeys. I fancy some Christmas lunch.
This is our local shop that supports us with lots of projects.
Ooh, so many wonderful things. I can see chocolate.
Fyvie Guidehouse was built as a hospital in 1896. The hospital had 7 beds when it was open. People used to be born there, but now babies are born in Aberdeen. In 1965, the hospital was sold to Aberdeenshire Guides. It is now a holiday home for local Burmese and guides. Right, folks, let's get back to the school. I guess we've got some work to do.
I'm not doing any work.
Ooh, that cold shiver that I had is getting warmer.
What a wonderful place Fyvie is. I just love where I bide.
Guys, look! Who's on the swing?